We're on chapter 3. That's where I started last time, and Halachah number 2.
Okay.
Let's see how long is Halachah. Yeah, very long, but let's read the whole Halachah. So the person should direct his heart and totality of his behavior to one goal, becoming aware of God, blessed be He. The way he rests, rises, speaks, should be all directed to this end. That's what Kitzur Shulchan said in the very beginning. For example, when involved in a business dealings or while working on for a wage, he should not think solely of gathering money. Rather, he should do these things so that he will be able to obtain that which his body needs: food, drink, home, and a wife. Similarly, when he eats, drinks, and engages in intimate relations, he should not intend to do these things solely for pleasure, for the point to the point where he will eat and drink only that which is sweet, sweet to the palate, and engages in intimate relations for pleasure. Rather, he should take care to eat and drink only in order to be healthy in body and limb. So from this, before continuing, so we can see from here. So a person can serve in HaShem 24 hours a day. If he would say, I'm going to sleep now, so I'm going to rest in order to energize my body to learn the Torah, to do the mitzvahs, to go to work. Why do I need to work? Because I need to feed my family. I need to pay my rent. I need to do this. Why? To serve HaShem. So I have a place where I can go, where I can sleep and learn Torah.
Right.
So it's possible to serve HaShem 24 hours a day. Therefore, he should not eat, or should not eat all that the palate desires, like a dog or a donkey. Okay, so that's why we have this overweight people, right? So they simply cannot stop. That's the issue. Rather, he should eat what is beneficial for the body, be it bitter or sweet. Conversely, he should not eat what is harmful to the body, even though it is sweet to the palate. For example, a person with a warm constitution should not eat meat or honey, nor drink wine, as Shlomo has stated in a parable. Eating much honey is not good. I think they explain this eating much honey is not good. Like I don't remember who said it, who's coming, but it was actually relations with the wife.
With the woman, yeah. I think by your own say it at one point.
Okay.
Maybe, but yeah, I think I read that too. Yeah.
Okay, one should drink in dive juice, even though it is bitter, for then he will be eating and drinking for medical reasons only, in order to become healthy and be whole. For a man cannot exist without eating and drinking. So that's when you eat. That's the main point. HaShem gave me this body that it contained the soul. So I'm working on this body, so the soul will be happy.
Right.
Similarly, he should not engage in physical intimacy except to keep his body healthy and to preserve the human race. Okay, so don't do too much.
He considers physical intimacy is something that contributes to a healthy body.
Okay, so that exactly. So, but every day is not.
Right. Okay.
That's the point. Therefore, he should not engage in physical intimacy whenever he feels desire. So that's when he goes to desires only. So as we just said, if it's for a healthy body, for this and that, that's for procreation, that's a big mitzvah. But otherwise, it's only because of the desire. It's like a donkey, right?
Right.
Whenever he feels desire, but only when he knows that he requires the seminal emission.
But is this is talking to a male, right? Like a man.
Yeah, man.
Not a, right? Okay.
seminal emission for medical reasons. Okay, as we know, or in order to preserve the human race. Okay, so for example, the elderly couple and stuff like that. So it's, of course, it's not to preserve this human race, but for medical reasons and to make the wife happy, that's also a mitzvah. Okay.